Hello everyone and welcome to a one-day vlog. Yes, hello. It's towards the end of August and this vlog is going to be absolutely jam-packed. You know, we've had a few months of being stuck in the house. Well, today it's going to be another house vlog, but it's just going to be a one day, and let me tell you the epic stuff that is going to happen today. I'm going to hurt myself. Oh God. I'm going to cause a massive accident. Oh God. And this happens. Oh my God, a tank's about to crash into the house. None of that stuff actually happened. I filmed that like a minute ago. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. No, today I do actually have plans. First things first, I'm gonna load up my PS4 and make sure that I can access a web browser like well on there, because it's DC Fandom today, but they're only doing it on web browsers. So yeah, we don't have Chromecast, so I don't have any other way of sending it to the TV. Anyway, so I'm going to check that in a minute. I'm going to make a cake. Yeah, I'm going to make this Betty Crocker cake that you saw a minute ago. Oh, that reminds me, I can plug that in now. Boom. So we've got, and for total transparency, a Taste of the States sent me this. I didn't pay for this. I got this over a month ago actually. So yeah, just been waiting to make it, and I picked up some. Ooh. Thank you very much. Cheers, take it easy. Live unboxing. I don't think we ever done this before. Ding dong. New content. Let's do an unboxing. Hello. So I've got 3 packages here. I've sort of pre-opened a few of them. I think I do know what this one is. I think. Yeah. This is from Ashley Gaffney on the Crocker and Rapton fans Facebook page. Oh man, this is getting reviewed today, man. Clear the schedule, this is getting done. This is the Monster Energy Ultra Black, which I'm pretty sure it's exclusive to Sainsbury's because I haven't seen it anywhere. I've even been on cash and carry websites and you can't actually buy this. So I think it's got exclusive distribution through Sainsbury's in the UK. Yeah, love the Energy Ultra range, and this one is black cherry, so buzzer-arming for that. I have no idea what that is. Literally no clue. So I'm going to open this one next, which is a comic. What have I ordered? It's a UK comic. Oh, it's probably Venom 25 Carnage versus Venom T-Rex variant. Yeah, oh, so I don't actually collect Venom, but I saw this cover, and it's a 3rd printing cover. I saw the cover and I was like, I just need that. I collect comics, and yeah, I suppose I basically get the occasional comic that I love the artwork on. But yeah, that is an absolutely awesome cover. I reckon it could actually be worth a little bit in the future as well. The Venom book is really hot at the moment, and it's by Bagley as well, man. God, that is exciting. But yeah, this I don't remember what it is. It's like it feels like a t-shirt, but I do not remember ordering a t-shirt recently. Oh shoot, that came quickly. Wow, that is insane. I hope this fits. Oof. So I went extra large. So when I say I hope it fits, I hope it's not like stupidly big. Basically, I bought this from the Fulham store so that I have something to wear during our autumn Premier League games when I'm watching them on TV. It's a very baggy texture, so it's probably the kind of thing I'd wear. Hang on, let me pop it on. I'm not a massive fan of baggy stuff because it drapes over my man bosoms. So Gotti is the one that sort of got me into Fulham. I'm not gonna show them that I bought this until the first match of the season, and then I'll send a picture. Oh, it's a nice fit actually. Oh, I like it. Oh, this is nice actually. This is cut. I wouldn't even need to wear anything. Oh, you I wouldn't even need to wear anything underneath that. Yeah, nice. Okay, happy with that. It's tight around here, so that was another reason why I was like extra large probably is alright. Because yeah, not a massive fan of tight collars, but yeah, that's not too bad. Something to wear. Got a wrap in it. Oh, look at this actually. Look at this. Fuck off. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I do not. I would be stunned if this is not the first time in history fact, this is getting out of hand now. Oh, everything in my life right now is black and red. I open my phone, it's black and red. I'm wearing so what I'm saying, this is the first time in history that someone has received 3 items completely at random and they're all black and red. That is, black, red and white. That is categorically black, red and white. This is quite obviously black, red and white. This is, if you're going to say on this, what are the 3 dominant colours here? I mean, that's black, red and white. Black, red and white, 100%. My phone, I go to check my phone, I look at the camera and I see the camera's black with the record logo and I'm in the whitest room of the house, or one of them. I get my phone out, that's black, red and white. Brilliant. Black, red and white. Even, to be honest, the food I'm looking at is basically, that's a bit of a push, but that's still weird that I just did an unboxing and all 3 items are black, red and white. I'm sorry, that's weird. Life's little weirdities. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to make the cake. So what am I going to do for this? So yeah, so other than all of that stuff that I said about, the other stuff I'm doing is making a cake. I'm going to try and sort out my room a little bit. So I love Invincible comic book. And I basically am moving everything that I've got Invincible related into my into my room upstairs. So I want to move more of that there, which I think involves a little bit of moving stuff around. I think I can make better use of the storage space. So I can move storage items higher up in my room, try and condense and compact it as much as possible, and then I can maximise room for display. I've also received a few figures recently, so I'll unbox them and get them set up. Like I say, I'm going to set up the DC fandom, make sure I can watch it on the TV tonight. Anything else? Oh, I want to review this. Get that out, I nearly forgot about that. That's the Lifesavers Musk, right? So it's from like South Africa. Is there anything else in there I would review? I should review some of this stuff. I sort of want to, you know, Fruit Buddies want to meet up soon, so we need to get that in the diary, don't we? Anyway guys, wow, this was kind of an explosive and unexpected start to the video. Also, I literally just got back from dropping Claire off to get her eyebrows done, so it's a good thing. I'd literally been back like I started filming as soon as I got in, so I'd been back that long, and it's a good thing that I did, because yeah, then that doorbell went and I probably wouldn't have checked outside. So someone could have nicked thank you Ashley Gaffney, someone could have nicked that. And then I would just have to apologise. Anyway, let's get that in the fridge and let's get this show on the road. Okay, I'm now making the cake. So I've got water and oil in there. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. Cake mix, Bosch, and 3 eggs. Let's mix that now. There we go. So there is fully combined. Anyway, let's rewind time a little bit. So I just thought this gives me a good opportunity to do the old... oh, how am I going to do it? Hang on. Don't know if this is going to work, but yeah, in the podcast recently we were discussing eggs and we were discussing the best way to crack eggs, and I said how I've changed the way I crack eggs. I used to do it on the side of the bowl, but I've moved to doing it just on the work surface now because it doesn't make as much mess. So let's do it on the side of the bowl. Like, it's fine, it works fine. But what I had here was that like the shell was cracking in. Like when to break into it, I was putting quite a lot of pressure on this bit here, which means you have got quite a lot of eggshell pieces that are becoming fully detached there. And that was, you know, I didn't get egg in there, but it, you know, it wasn't a million miles away. Wash off my hands. Whereas doing it on the work surface, fine. I mean, yeah, I got a bit of egg on the work surface, but not much. And like, because you can put a bit more, I think that must be it, because you can put more pressure on it, you just peel the egg away, so no shell, just easy. Easy, easy, easy. Anyway, it's not like it's a great hardship, is it, to just do it on the edge. This is first egg what came first, chicken or the egg world problem? But how did we get to it fully combined? Well, we mixed it, didn't we? Yeah, smells amazing actually. Smells, so this is like a vanilla cake, so it's I think it's more than just a, you know, just a normal cake. This, oh God, it smells so strong of vanilla. Oh God, I'm gonna freaking love this. Mix, mix, mix. Slight change of plan, guys. I had a taste of the icing and I didn't really like it. It's not very good. So I've put some vanilla flavouring in there, some, you know, actual real vanilla flavouring, and a little bit of Twister ice lolly flavouring. So now I've put some yellow and green food dye in there. Yes, we got a light, and I've just had a taste now. It's really nice. It does taste of Twister. Like the flavour is perfect. So yeah, we're gonna go for that instead. Okay, well this cake got a bit mashed up. I don't know exactly what happened, but I used like a grease-proof thing and it just seemed to get stuck to the bottom. Like, I don't know what happened, but it's fine. It's fine. Nothing that some good old icing won't fix. There's some cake crumbs. Tastes good, tastes good. Just got this delivery. Didn't pay for this. This company sent it to us, so honesty again. Yeah, it's like fudge. Flo, what's it? Flo and Frankie's fudge. So we've got Oreo, Millionaire shortbread, tiramisu, and salted caramel. So yeah, that'll be nice. Anyway, I think I'm going to ice it now, and then yes, the plan of action: ice it. I think then probably wash up. I've already washed up one set, but wash up again. Then do some food reviews, and then do the room stuff. Okay, washing up about to occur. I think I'm probably going to soak it and then do the reviews. There it is. I finished it. Yeah. I'm not a professional baker, guys. This, you know, this is why it looks like this. I'm not a professional baker, but it smells nice. I'll have a slice later, I imagine. Right, like I say, let's let this soak, and then I'll do some food reviews. Okay, so I've just come into my room. I can't actually remember if I've actually filmed in this room today yet. But anyway, my plan is, I bought another symbiote action figure. So this is Agent Anti, well they've called him Agent Anti-Venom. It's just Flash Thompson Venom when he's wearing in his like Agent Venom costume, but this is the Anti-Venom version, so it's like the sort of different symbiote. So I'll open that up in a minute and put it with the other symbiotes probably. There's another Venom there and a different Venom, then that's Carnage and Scream. I've just pre-ordered Toxin and Phage as well. Oh, and Lasher. I've bought a Lasher. So I think I've got every named symbiote that they've made. And I sort of plan to keep it that way. That does exclude the limited edition, no, not limited edition, but like the different characters wearing the symbiote. Like there's a Spider-Gwen Venom figure, but I'm not interested in that really. I've also got the Yellow Ranger here, so I'll open her in a minute. She obviously goes with the other Rangers, and then it's just the Black Ranger, Zack, and the Green Ranger, which is actually Jason, not Jason, Tommy, which is obviously the White Ranger as well. Obviously, imagine not knowing that. Yeah, anyway, plan is, I've actually brought the chair up so I can reach high places. So after probably way more than a year, this is how lazy I am, it's probably been, it might even be like 2 years that has been there and not up there. Maybe it's not as long as 2 years, but yeah, I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to like move all of them to the shelf below. That's kind of what I want, but we'll see. I'm toying with the idea of stacking up several more comic boxes there and then getting them up to like their level. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit fluid, but yeah, I want to utilise the above the wardrobe more, bring those figures maybe across to here and make this mostly figures. I don't know. Well, this is it now, and we'll see where I end up. Okay, I think I've reached my limit of can be botheredness of the day, so I've sorted out the figures. Basically, I've moved a few things around. You can see Agent Anti-Venom there. Then Yellow Ranger's unpacked as well. Now you'll see the changes that the figures that are on top of my wardrobe thing are now on top of there. So that's cool. That looks pretty good. I've moved the Ninjago vehicles that were there down to here and across to there. Moved some of the storage that was in that area up above there, so that's cool. So basically made more room. Still a lot of work to do, basically all the way down here, and sort of, yeah, just basically there, just to mix it up a bit, and up there. Continue but I probably don't like it as much, to be honest, but the thing is, it's making more room, so that's probably good. I don't know what to do with that coloured thing there yet. Yeah, I think the plan is to make that little window there an invincible window and put invincible stuff there, but we will see. It depends what I choose to do, because I still haven't explicitly decided. But yeah, I'm definitely going to take a little break there now. Like I say, I just can't be bothered. So yeah, look, there's me in the window as well. Back. Yeah, can't bothered. So gonna have a little rest. Probably watch some YouTube. I don't think I ever actually record takeaway. I just always just get absolutely taken away myself with eating it. But yeah, this is Golden Bengal from Aylesbury, really tasty. Seen Part Well Boiled on TV. Oh, very dark butter vision. Don't know what was going on there, it was a bit weird. It's the evening now, guys. It's been a reasonable day, been a reasonable evening. DC fandom's coming along well. The flash panel was a bit of a dud. I think we had the news. I don't know, it's kind of weird. We obviously had the news a few days ago that Ben Affleck's going to be in the Flash movie. And I appreciate, so DC Fandom is pre-recorded, and apparently Ben Affleck only signed like this week or something. So I understand why it wasn't in the pre-recorded section, but it does seem extremely weird they couldn't just added like a special like 1 minute clip in saying, oh, special news just added. Yes, that's weird. That's really weird. Because there was nothing else of note in the Flash panel apart from like a suit reveal. Artists, what is it? I can't remember what it's called. Artist impression. What's it called? The art for a film that is going to be based on. I can't remember. There's a special name for it. I can't remember it because I've got severe mental brain problems. Concept art. There you go. Ridiculous. Yeah, the Suicide Squad panel was great. That was really cool. The cast is so good, and they showed like a behind the scenes, so it looks really cool. The Gotham Knights trailer looks awesome. That game looks wicked. I think what's the next? The next one I'm going to tune in for is the Jim Lee art panel portfolio review, because I like art, comic book art. And then after that, I think there's a surprise DC Comics panel, so that'll be interesting. And then I don't think there's anything crazy. Look, here it is. Here's the panel. Here's the panels. I mean, that's too bright, isn't it? Yeah, there's surprise DC Comics panel, and then I'm probably going to tune back in at 11:10 for the Black Adam panel. That's probably the last one I'm going to do of the day. Overnight there'll be like Aquaman and Shazam panel and Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League panel and the Batman panel, which I'll probably just watch like the trailers and whatnot in the morning. They are repeating them all in the morning, so I can actually watch those specific ones at the Shazam one's at 8:40. Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League is 9:10. So actually, yeah, I probably will just be able to watch those outright. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'll probably do that, to be fair, rather than just watch the trailers. Claire's rejoining me now. And yeah, good. Coming towards the end of the day, I don't know if I'm going to film any more. So yeah, if I don't, thank you for watching. If I do, there'll be a little bit more.